So welcome back, folks. Welcome back to episode 4 in a series of 5 imaginative cocktail episodes. Yes, Booze by Rob Productions, as the production staff is holding back sneezes behind the camera. She did it well. We're so proud of her. We all are praying for her health. I'm kidding, of course. She's fine. All right, so we're going to make a St. Patrick's Day cocktail for you. And if you like a daiquiri, now you think of daiquiri, you think of Caribbean islands, you think of rum. Oh no, we're thinking Irish whiskey. So this is an Irish daiquiri. Now, Tullamore D.E.W, we visited there last fall. Really cool distillery. They make a Irish whiskey that is aged in a rum barrel. If you can get your hands on some, it is really, really good and probably what we should use in this cocktail, but we couldn't find it in time. So we're going to use 1.5 ounces of an Irish whiskey, and this time we're using just the original Tullamore D.E.W. Next, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Okay, if you can't get fresh, I get it. Bottled is fine. Simple syrup. This is really simple to make, folks. Really simple. I have some friends out there that struggle with this one. This is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, put it in a pan, boil it, cool it down, and shazam, you have made simple syrup. You know you are who you are that have a struggle with this. Okay. And then I have friends that also know who they are that don't own sugar. People. 3/4 ounce. Folks, that cocktail's done. I got, oh no, wait. Lime bitters. I love bitters. These are lime bitters by a company called Dash Fire. I'm going to give them 1 good squirt in there. It's a cool little company up in Minnetonka, Minnesota, which is the home of all bitters. All right, top of the tin. Shake it up. All right. We're going to use a Whiskey sour glass. I like this one. It's a good shaped glass. Hawthorne strainer. You could double that if you wanted to, or you could probably make these by the batch. Next, we're going to add a dehydrated lime wheel right on top. Fine looking cocktail. I like daiquiris. Let's see what this one's like. Golly. Do I have a new favorite? This is really good. Boy, the last one was good. This one's good. I don't know. We have 2 first place winners. But, folks, this is episode 4 wrapped up. The last one's coming, episode 5. It's called the Tipperary. Cheers. Stay safe and enjoy. Stick around for the Tipperary. It'll knock your socks off. If you're wearing socks.